If you're sick of renting and you've been planning to buy a home, educating yourself about the process, and you're just about to pull the trigger, and then all of a sudden interest rates go up, and now they're staying up, and it's so frustrating, and you want to stop paying monthly rents month over month, and you just want to get in a home. Well, what are you supposed to do? Are you supposed to wait till interest rates get better? Is there a magic time that's going to work for you? If you're feeling frustrated by higher interest rates just as you're about to try to own a home, then this is the video for you. Hi homeownership enthusiasts, I'm Nicole Hamilton. I'm a home ownership and home financing expert. Please subscribe to our channel and you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Higher interest rates have added cost to monthly payments because mortgage payments cost more now. For the same house price, you're going to pay more than you did 2 years ago. And on top of that, the Fed is jacking up rates. And what that means is that the cost of borrowing money is higher for banks, and so that's a moving target, and that adds a lot of uncertainty to the mortgage market because you don't know where rates are going next. So the combination of higher mortgage monthly payments plus the uncertainty in the market has made people feel really challenged about home ownership and left a lot of people feeling a bit hopeless. Maybe you think to yourself, even if I can afford something today, how do I know that I'm going to be able to afford something tomorrow? And you might even think you've missed the window because maybe the ideal time to buy was in the past and now it's just too late. And meanwhile, you just want to stop paying rent and you want to start building equity. And every month you pay more to your landlord and you're beholden to your landlord, and you just feel like, how am I going to be able to get to my goal of home ownership? Stay tuned till the end of this video to download my free essential resource called The Formula for Home Ownership. Here's the thing. There's always going to be things that pop up along your home ownership journey. Take me, for example. In 2006, I bought a home. It was 6.6% interest rate, and the very next year, the market started to crash, and I felt like a sucker. So this might have been the worst time to buy. But then 3 years later, my house had gone up 20%, and interest rates fell to 4%, and I felt like a rock star. So you never know where things are headed. And the thing is that things come along all the time. This year it might be higher interest rates, but next year you might be switching from one job to another, and the following year you might be thinking about starting a family. So there's always going to be changes in your life, and you don't want to let them derail your dream of home ownership. What you want to do is to have a plan that you feel confident about that can weather those changes. The solution is to feel confident about your journey in a sea of changes. So I developed a process that any aspiring homeowner can use to weather the changes no matter what they are and feel confident about their journey to become a homeowner. And it's called The Formula. The process is the following. Take stock of where you are now, set a goal for what kind of home you want to get the keys to, see the exact formulas of what mortgage officers use to determine eligibility, determine concrete steps you can take to get to your goal of owning a home. So let's say you have your income today, you have your debts today, and you have your target house that you want to buy and the price range. You can use the formula to see exactly what kind of eligibility there is and plot your way from where you are now to where you want to be and have concrete goals and a path that you truly believe in. The benefit to my process is that it eliminates the guesswork. By eliminating the guesswork, you build your confidence. And by building your confidence, it makes you much more likely that you're going to reach the goal of home ownership. Some of the things that hold people back are having unrealistic expectations about how much money you have to put down, or the fear of how a mortgage company will evaluate you. And those things can really get in your head and can really hold you back from your goals. What my method, the formula, lays out is the exact 6 types of loans that you can qualify for, what the eligibility is, and what combination of income, debt, and housing costs you would need to get from where you are now to where you want to be. And the best thing about it is that the formula comes with a smart tool that does all the calculations for you. Because you might be thinking mortgages are complicated and all of the inputs and the multiplications and the interest rates and the payment schedules and the amortization and But the good news is that I love math and I already did it for you. So you don't have to worry about that. You just use my smart tool and it can help you find out where you are today and where you want to be tomorrow. I'm going to share with you the formula for home ownership in the notes below so you can download it for free today. So you don't need to give up your dream of home ownership just because life throws lots of changes at you. Life will always throw changes at you. But you don't want to stay a renter. You want to be able to see exactly where you want to go and get there with confidence. And that's what the formula does. It lets you have a plan that you believe in that helps build your confidence and gets you into home ownership.